Shocking trail cam captures the unimaginable, and it ends badly. Capturing animals performing interesting things at the proper time is a difficult task. This is when trail cameras come in handy. Fortunately for us, these trail cameras captured some incredible animal behavior. So let's get in with our list of trail cam footage that was unimaginable and ended badly. The first one on our list is a shocking moment of moose. A video of a moose shedding both of its antlers at the same time has gone viral. This video shocked everyone when they watched the video of the moose losing its antlers that they had taken with their camera. Moose usually lose their antlers once a year, which can take several hours or even days. It is very unusual for both antlers to fall off at the same time like this. Cells called osteoclasts to break down the bone cells that hold the antlers to the animal's skull. This usually happens at the beginning of December. Moose are related to deer. Only the males have antlers, and the amount of testosterone in their bodies controls how big they get. Moose males use their antlers to show who the boss is. During mating season, the male with the biggest antlers shows them off to potential mates. This is thought to be attractive to female moose. The moose loses up to 60 pounds of weight in the winter when it loses its antlers. This lets it save more energy for the cold season. Antler bone starts to grow back in the spring, and as males get older, their antlers get bigger every year. Second is black cobra versus monkey. In this short video, a brave monkey goes up to a snake. He grabs its tail, which is not good for this poisonous snake. In this video, the monkey is bold and doesn't get the message. He starts by getting a hold of the cobra's tail. Cobras can be as long as 10 feet, but most are between 4.6 and 7.2 feet long. This one looks like it'll be on the shorter side of that range. Still, he's a long snake. He's also a very angry snake, judging by the hissing sounds he makes in the video. The monkey stays close after letting go of the tail. He might want to see what this snake will do. Or he might not have seen a cobra before. In either case, he finds out quickly that they don't like having their tails pulled. Cobras kill their prey with the poison in their bites. This snake makes a move toward the monkey. He moves out of view, so we can't tell if he made contact or not. Since the monkey comes even closer and grabs his tail again, it's likely that he didn't. In reality, the monkey drags the snake across the ground by its tail. Next is Death Valley cougar eating feral donkeys. Cougars have been seen killing and eating donkeys for the first time ever in Death Valley, California. A trail camera in the national park caught pictures of a cougar killing a donkey in the middle of the night and then eating it. Around 12,000 years ago, saber-toothed cats and dire wolves hunted wild horses all over North America. But when these predators died out, the continent was left with a large number of horses and donkeys that could not be hunted because there were no predators left. Wild horses and donkeys have been around for so long that they are often seen as a nuisance, and the government's taking steps to get rid of them. But from a study from the Natural History Museum of Los Angeles County, it says that cougars, which are also called mountain lions, kill wild donkeys in Death Valley. Scientists set up camera traps in Death Valley National Park to see how donkeys behave in places where cougars are active and in places where they are not. The results, which were published in the Journal of Animal Ecology, showed that cougar predation seems to rewire an ancient food web. It seems to show that cougars are replacing the ancient animals that used to hunt wild donkeys 12,000 years ago. Fourth on our list is wild horses fleeing for their lives. Western Canada has some of the greatest grizzly bear populations in North America, outside of Alaska. These creatures require a large amount of food. As a result, there is some fantastic footage of them pursuing their prey. Grizzlies appear to enjoy moose, elk, and mountain goats. A number of trail cameras were installed in Alberta to monitor this herd of wild horses. Trail cameras are an excellent approach to conducting surveys since they limit the number of people in the area, making it easier to see what is going on. The first image captured by the camera shows a herd of wild horses galloping as quickly as they can. You quickly see that it's for a good reason, as a grizzly bear is right following them. The camera angle shifts as the bear gets even closer. we can't help but suspect that one of the horses did not survive, especially the young ones. Next is golden eagle versus bighorn sheep. In the Mojave Desert, a desert bighorn sheep and a golden eagle were caught on camera getting ready for a fight. The picture was taken by one of the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service's motion sensor trail cameras in Nevada's Desert National Wildlife Refuge. It shows a golden eagle spreading its wings and opening its mouth in front of an artificial water spring called a guzzler while a sheep stares it down. This is a rare chance to see a desert bighorn meet one of its predators face to face. Young desert bighorn sheep have been caught on camera being killed by golden eagles. But in this case, it may have been the other way around. The golden eagle may have been acting defensively since this species is known for being very territorial. Here, the eagle is standing in the way that is similar to what it does when another eagle comes into its territory. Golden eagles eat bighorn sheep lambs, so adults like this one aren't seen as often. Bighorn sheep, of which desert bighorn sheep are subspecies, live in the desert mountain ranges of the United States. According to the U.S. National Park Service, they have become very good at living in the desert. Unlike most mammals, they can handle body temperature changes of up to several degrees. They don't need to drink water for weeks or even months. Sixth on our list is a bear versus bear. This scary trail cam video shows two grown black bears fighting over territory. Bears are not territorial, so we wouldn't really call it that. They usually fight to show who the boss is or to protect a food source. In the 30-second trail cam video, there are two black bears, but one of them is brown and has darker arms and face than the other. This subspecies of the American black bear is called a cinnamon bear. In the video, the two black bears charge at each other with strong arms and a lot of aggression. They kept fighting until the cinnamon bear was just a little stronger than the darker bear and knocked it down for a few seconds. The darker bear then got up and used its arms to punch the cinnamon bear. As they went around a tree and waited for the right moment to charge at each other again, the darker bear stayed angry and the cinnamon bear calmed down. As they went around the tree, the tension went down. The two black bears decided to stop fighting, so they got on all fours and talked it out. In the video, you can also see that another trail camera was set up on a tree that the two bears circled, and the cinnamon bear accidentally broke it. The trail cam footage just shows how strong and powerful black bears can be and how rare it is to see them fight in the wild. Last on our list is a mountain lion who gets prey. In the video, you can see a deer walking into the frame, which makes the camera start recording. A few seconds later, you can slowly make out the eyes of a mountain lion. The cat suddenly jumps at the deer and pulls it down to the ground. In later clips, the lion is seen taking the kill away. The mountain lion population in California is on the rise again, and it's no secret that the predators are eating local wildlife and pets to keep their numbers up. But a trail camera in Whitmore, California caught a rare sight, a lion killing a deer that didn't see it coming. So that was all about this video. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel, and hit that like button and press the bell icon so you get more updates. And make sure you watch out for more videos like this on our channel. You can choose any video shown on the screen.